Alright guys, it's Mr. Lynch coming back at you with another great math video. Today, we're jumping into Unit 6, and we are starting on page 21, create and analyzing a scatterplot. Alright, so, is there an association between the weight of a candle and the amount of time it burns? Well, just think about that. Is the weight gonna change as it burns? Well, as the candle burns, it does lose some wax. The wax becomes liquid. I would say, yeah, probably. You know, there's probably. Oh, why do I have blue? I want black. I'm gonna say probably because I'm gonna say as the weight increases, as we increase weight, I'm gonna say I think we're gonna see an increase in time because there's more to burn. So we have a company that manufactures candles, and they tested the amount of time it takes for several candles of several different weights to burn. And they're shown below in this table. So now we're going to plot these points. We're going to make what's called a scatter plot. Now, so 215, 216, 218. So at 2, I'm going to go 15, 16, 18. That's good enough. 3, we're going to go 20 and 33. So at 3, we go 20 and 33 should be right about there. 4 is 34 and 35. 5 is 38, 40, 36. 10 is 40. Well, they couldn't have made this nice for us. 10 is also 80. And 80. 16, we jump up to 95. And 198. And then at 22, we jump all the way to 120. 125 and 170. Oh, yeah, 175. Jeez. And all the way up here at 175. And at 26, we're at 174 and 180. Alright, so as we can see, we're going to draw a line. Let's just draw a line. Because we know that it goes through 0. Because at no weight, it's probably going to be nothing. So as we can see, we're kind of going that way, right? So we can say there is a positive association. So what we're saying is as the weight increases, so if we increase the weight, we increase the time. And as we can see, there are some things like way down here. This one's kind of standing out because it's really low. It's way below the line. These two are way below, and this one's way above. But for the most part, they fit pretty close to that line. And we got a huge cluster right here at the beginning, which is kind of cool to see. Now, how much would a candle have to wait for it to burn for 1 year? Well, I'll let you guys think about that one. So now creating scatter plots means we just plot these points. So at 1 we're at 2, at 2 we're at 5, 4, 5, at 3 we're at 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, at 4 we're at 12, 10, 11, 12, and at 5 we're at 14. So there's our scatter plot. And we could change the scale. We could, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it could look like this. Or if we said that every one of these was 1, we could go there. And then 2 would be up here. And then 3 would be here. 4. And then 5. To make it look a little bit nicer. This one, we're going all the way to 8, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That uses up basically the entire thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so at 0, we're up at 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At 2, we're up at 6, but at 2, we're also at 5. At 4, we're up at 5, and we're up at 7. At 5, we're up at 6. At 6, we're at 4, and at 6, we're at 6. At 7, we're at 5, and at 8, we're at 6. So now, thinking about the association, so whether it's going up and it's positive, so here we can see this is a positive because it's going up and to the right. This one is kind of just staying flat, so this is called a no association. Because it really doesn't show anything because it's kind of flat. Let's look at this one at 0. Ooh, 1.4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So every 2 will be 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ooh, this is going to be weird. Man, I really don't know how to do this one. We'll say every 1 is 0.2. So that's 1.4, 1.8. This is 2.2, 2.6, and then 3 finally up at the top. So at 0, we're at 1.4. At 1, we're at 1.7. At 2, we're at 2. At 3, we're at 2.2. At 4, we're at 2.4. And at 5, we're at 2.8. So as you can see, we're going up. So this is a positively associated set of data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this goes to 80, so we'll call each one 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We'll call each one 1. All right, so at 10, we're at 10. Oh, sorry, 10, we're at 9. Oops. And at 10, we're at 10. At 20, we're at 9. 30 is 9 and 8. 40 is 7.5. But 40 is also 8. 50 is 7. 60 is 6. And 80 is 5. So as we can see, we're kind of going down right here, right? This is a negative association. All right, guys, that's it for today. As always, guys, hope you enjoy the math. Make sure you hit like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you are ringing that notification bell so you guys can see these videos as soon as they come out. As always, guys, we'll see you next time.